Today's Consumer Alert takes a look at your summer travel plans. The price at the pump has been slowly coming down. Good news if you hope to take a trip, right? Or is it? Deanna, we have been following the activity in Iran, and you've been researching its impact on our wallets. So what are the experts predicting now?
Nikki, it is tough to predict. Yesterday, the president announced plans to strike Iran tonight. This afternoon, he said a peace deal could be within reach. Experts say with this much uncertainty regarding the war, predicting possible market reaction is incredibly difficult. Here's the good news. At an average of $4.42 a gallon, the price at the pump in Rochester has dropped about 14 cents in a month. Here's the bad news. Gas Buddy experts doubt this pleasant price plummet will continue. As the U.S. and Iran exchange more military strikes, analysts feared a return to all-out war. And that worried petroleum analysts like Gas Buddy's Patrick DeHaan.
If you have some major travel plans in August or even late July, the safest bet may be that you want to assume prices in New York could reach $5.
That's in spite of the fact we've seen a recent decline in the price of oil and subsequently the price at the pump. There are two forces that have driven down the price of gas over the last few weeks. The U.S. is the world's biggest oil producer, and America has increased the amount it exports by about 1 million barrels a day. China is the world's biggest oil importer, and it's decreased how much it imports by about 3 million barrels a day. So think back to your old high school economics class. More supply, less demand equals a decrease in prices.
CENTCOM, Central Command, will be busy tonight because President Trump said we will be hitting Iran hard, and we will be.
That was on Wednesday, and that kind of pronouncement historically causes a spike in oil prices. But by Thursday afternoon, the president changed course again, canceling the strikes and signaling a deal is close, a promise the president has made multiple times since March. If true, we would see a slow but steady drop in gas prices. But if the war continues, DeHaan says results could be dire.
Where that puts consumers, I would still be prepared because I'm worried that this pressure is building. And as an analyst, we've never seen the amount of pressure building in the way that it is today.
So at this point, what is certain is uncertainty. While the president is saying a deal is close, Iran did not confirm that a deal has been reached. So all depends on what happens in a distant land 6,000 miles away. Nikki, now the question is deal or no deal? We're all watching and waiting.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dee.